Studying is super important, but sometimes it can be as boring as watching paint dry. Luckily, there are some awesome ways to make it fun and exciting. Before we continue, I would like to welcome you to my channel. Here we post content that helps students become better learners. So don't forget to subscribe and click on the little bell so you know when we post new content. Today, I have an awesome tip. Visual aids are like magic tools that can make your studying adventures even better. They are like cool pictures, charts, and graphs that make all those complicated things easier to understand and remember. So instead of just reading a bunch of words, you can add some pizzazz to your study routine and become a super genius. Also, visual aids are especially awesome for all you visual learners out there. You know, those of us who learn best with pictures and stuff. But even if you're not a visual learner, they can still be totally helpful. Visual aids break down big, scary ideas into smaller, friendlier chunks. Plus, they help you make connections between different ideas and make sure you really get it. So get ready to dive into the world of visual aids and make studying way more exciting and effective. If you want to learn more about these tips, click the link below. Go ahead and watch your grades soar. Happy studying!